All right, 2019 Honda Fit. If you want to reset the oil life reminder right there, you're going to need to use the stick here and push it till you get it to display oil life. Right now I have the car running. I'm going to turn the car off. Now I'm going to turn the key forward, but I'm not going to start it, and I'm going to press and hold this button down. And what I'm waiting for is I'm waiting for the oil life to flash at me, and I'm going to let go of the button. Alright, and then I'm going to push it again and hold it down. And that's pretty much it. So I'll repeat it one more time for you. Set it for oil life, find the oil life, turn the key forward, don't start it, press and hold down the button until it flashes. Alright, let go, push and hold it down again until it resets. And that's it.